Tesco mobile operator full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Tesco Mobile is a popular UK mobile operator known for its competitive pricing and strong customer service, operating on the O2 network. If you're interested, check the links in the description for more details. Now let's dive into its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Tesco Mobile offers a variety of plans, including pay monthly, SIM only, and pay-as-you-go options, all designed to suit a range of budgets and needs. One standout feature is its Club Card rewards program, where customers can earn points for every top-up or bill payment, which can then be redeemed for Tesco vouchers or discounts. Tesco Mobile also provides 5G coverage on selected plans, and its network benefits from O2's extensive 4G coverage. It also allows data rollover, which is perfect for users who don't always use all of their data in a given month. Roaming within the EU is available, though users should be aware of new post-Brexit charges for some destinations. Tesco Mobile also offers excellent customer service, regularly scoring well for satisfaction. Who is Tesco Mobile best for? It's an ideal option for value-driven customers looking for reliable coverage and flexibility. Families can benefit from multi-line discounts, while budget-conscious users can take advantage of competitive pay-as-you-go options. Tesco's loyalty program makes it a great choice for Tesco shoppers looking to earn extra rewards, and light to moderate data users will find its plans well suited to their needs. Now let's talk about some weaknesses. While Tesco Mobile provides strong coverage in urban areas, rural areas may experience slower speeds due to reliance on O2's network. The limited 5G availability could also be a downside for those seeking the fastest speeds, as it's not yet included in all plans. Additionally, the EU roaming changes may be frustrating for those who travel frequently. In summary, Tesco Mobile is a strong contender in the UK mobile market, offering affordable plans, excellent customer service, and great rewards for Tesco shoppers. However, rural coverage and 5G access may be areas for improvement. If Tesco Mobile sounds like the right choice for you, check the links in the description. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile network reviews.